Are you wanting to remove vinyl decals from the glass of your vehicle, but you want to make sure that you're not going to damage anything? Well, this is the video for you. And I've included the links to all of these products in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. It's fairly simple. What you'll need is a good microfiber rag, some glass cleaner, and a solid razor blade scraper. Now this is a new blade, fresh blade I put on here. I'll spray it down first with the glass cleaner right over the vinyl, let it soak for a second, and then use the scraper to go ahead and remove it, and then wipe down any residue that's left behind. And if you still have residue left behind and your glass cleaner can't remove it, the best thing to use is rubbing alcohol, as that'll be able to lift off the rest of that adhesive or Goo Gone or anything like that. Now, if you're wanting to remove graphics from the paint or of the body of the vehicle, the best way to do that is to use a heat gun to heat it up to let that residue kind of lift off the vehicle. And you actually want to use a plastic razor blade to scrape and remove it. That way you don't damage the paint, because if you use a typical razor blade, you're going to cut right through the finish for your vehicle and damage it pretty bad. So if you're removing it from the body of a vehicle, use a plastic razor blade.